Holiday Inn Express in Carlisle. They have Endura MRL here. This hotel was built in 2020. You can see the other car if you look closely. You can see it down there. Yeah, this thing's beat up a little bit. It's hot in here too. There's a ton of people waiting down on one, so I might need to cut the recording. Okay, here we are. This is the motor. I believe this is one of the last signal boards installed.
Nope.
Just wait for that to close and then we'll call the other one. I'll get a view while at it. Here's your view of I-81 over here. Holiday Inn Express. Roof access. Let's see if there's any other elevators here. Yeah, no, there's not. One. Atoll buttons. Oh, this one has a longer startup. Oh, there's about 4. There's your TK dot matrix indicator. I'm gonna cab view. Oh, leveling. Really nice. I like it. And that. Watch it close. And that will be it.